Hi mga kabola, excited ako for today. Manonood tayo ng Harlem Globetrotters. Mamayang gabi pa yun, no? Kasi umaga pa lang. Pero super excited ako. Maaga ako nagising. Alam nyo, I've always wanted to watch Harlem Globetrotters when I was a kid. Kaso lang, syempre, as a boy who grew up in the province, hindi yun ang priority. I remember my mom saying na, Totoy, wala tayong pera dyan, or hindi tayo gagastos para dyan. So okay lang. I used to watch them sa RPN 9. Kung natatandaan nyo pa yung channel na yon, meron pa ba ngayon? So they used to play the Washington Generals, minsan sa ano pa, aircraft carrier, no? So I'm sure marami nakaka-relate dito, no? So fast forward, I saw na they're going back here sa Philippines kasi ilang beses na rin pumunta yun before, no? Dito sa Pilipinas nung bata ako. Ngayon, sabi ko, hindi ko napapalampasin. So medyo emotional ako because gustong-gusto ko nga sila dati pa. So para sa akin, this will be a dream come true na mapanood sila live here in Manila. As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila. Finally, we're here. Para ako na-molest sa loob ng MRT. Hindi ka na nga makagalaw. Kung ano-anong hawak para nakakuha mo. Pero okay lang, kulang. So we're inside na. Mukhang na-upgrade kami, ah. Ito, nakita ko na naman yung kaibigan natin si Miguel. Remember yung sa Taiwan, sa Bangkok din. Nandito na naman. Pareho kaming na seat upgrade. So ayan siya.
Hello guys.
Anong masasabi mo sa seat upgrade?
Full siya po. Full siya.
So upper box ka rin ba?
Oo, upper box dapat.
Then naging lower box. So what can you say about your new view?
It's very good.
Who's gonna make it first? Who's gonna make a trick shot first? Right here, put it in the middle. Let's go. Here it is. Yes, sir. He goes by the name of Sweet Lutel. Who we got next? Who we got next? All right, let's go. Oh! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Now clap, 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 clap. 1, 2, 3, let's go! He hails from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He wears 3 black. Make some noise for Speed! He hails from Atlanta, Georgia. He wears 40 black. The fastest dribbler in the land. Make some noise for Wham! How y'all feel? Clap, 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 clap. Hey, 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 hit that. In the air. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, put your hands. Whoa! Let me go. Let me go. Watch this. Watch this.
Hey, Wham! 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 No! Wham! You put Manny Pacquiao down. Put it down, Wham. Put it down. Hey, come here. You better run, kid. You better run. Come here. Run. Come here. Come here. Come here, man. Come here.
So we're back in Juan Ayala. Hindi na namin tinapos yung game third quarter. Malis na kami end ng third quarter kasi yung last trip puntang Ayala o southbound ng MRT is 9:15. Baka mabitin kami. So okay lang, yung mga games naman again, hindi mo tinatapos talaga yung score. Maraming beses ko na napanood yung mga antics nitong Harlem Globetrotters, yung binabasa yung referee, yung crowd, yung mga dribbling act, yung mga sayaw-sayaw nila, yung mga yan. Pero entertaining pa rin. Brings me back to my childhood. So I'm glad na finally napanood ko sila live kahit once in my life.